In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a Facebook business page on mobile. And to be able to do this, you need to be on Facebook on your mobile phone. Come down to the bottom right of your app and click where it says menu. From here, you want to select the Facebook page that you actually want to delete. So I'm going to use Affinity Care Advisory in the top left-hand corner here because it's the first one, for example, and go ahead and click on that. And then you want to go ahead and click switch so you can switch into that account. From here, you want to go back to the menu for this account. Then you want to scroll down to where it says settings and privacy, expand that out, click on settings, and then you want to scroll down quite far to the bottom where it says access and control. And then from here, you've got two different options. You've got deactivation and deletion. So you want to click on that. And then it's going to give you the option to deactivate your page. So basically this is where you can just temporarily take it down so nobody can see it. Or if you wanted to delete the page permanently, you can just go ahead and click delete. Remember that when you do delete a page on Facebook, you cannot get it back, and that is basically final. So once you actually confirm that you want to do this, you go ahead and click continue. From here, it's going to ask you to give a reason. You don't have to. If you want to just skip this, you can click continue. And then finally, it's going to give you some options on what you can do just before you delete your page in case you wanted to back some things up. So make sure you go ahead and check that you've done all of this before you actually get rid of it. And then you're going to want to go ahead and click continue. But I'm going to leave the tutorial there because I don't actually want to delete this page. But once you go through to the next page, there may be one more confirmation. But after that, you would have successfully deleted your Facebook page permanently. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the next one.